There are some people who you just want to see punched in the face. Not what I had in mind, but you get the point. I could set myself on fire too, or turn my avatar into a thunder god. Effects like this used to require advanced editing or filming effects and quite a bit of budget. Not anymore. Recently, Higgsfield.ai has taken the AI visual effects niche by storm. Many AI video generators have had some effects in the past, but Higgsfield seems to have more options and better outputs. In this video, we'll check out many of the different options you have and how I would add it to my video creation process to create viral videos. When you first log into Higgsfield, you will have a limited amount of free generations and options. They do have paid plans, starting at just $9 per month. The effects that I showed at the beginning of the video are very easy to create. From the home screen, I'll click on Create and select Video. The first thing is to click on Change to select the video effect you want. For the first one, I'll find Face Punch, then I'll upload the image of my avatar. For the prompt, I'll simply say, "A man sits talking to the camera." Now, Higgsfield does have a prompt enhance feature that is very nice and useful. This will improve a basic prompt so you don't have to spend a ton of time on it. I'm going to leave it on standard model and hit generate. I use the same process with the set on fire and the Thunder God effect to generate the other two videos that I showed earlier. If you don't want to jump to an image generator, Higgsfield has you covered there as well too. Under Create, we'll go to Image. For the style, we'll click in and we have an option of a GPT image or the Higgsfield generator. The ChatGPT option is cool, but for this one, I'll stick with the Higgsfield option. I'll select Cinematic, although we've got a few interesting options. The prompt I'll use is a man on a sport motorcycle racing through the streets in a Tron-style scene. Blue neon lights line the roads. The man is wearing futuristic attire and an armor-like bodysuit. We'll leave prompt enhance on and check out these generations. The first one is very cool, and let's apply an effect to that. I'll click on Video and we'll be back to this screen. I've selected bullet time, no prompt, and let's see what we come up with. Okay, not bad, but not great either. Definitely should have given this a prompt to improve it. Before we check out the rest of what Higgsfield is offering, I want to mention my free AI content community. It's full of tool demos like this and other creators who want to use AI to create amazing content. Come say hello and see what we have to offer. The link is in the description. Now, these effects are really cool, but Higgsfield allows us to mix effects too. I created this image of a white-clad warrior, and I want to add a few effects to it. In the Image to Video tab, let's click on Mix, and I want to find Thunder God and Levitation. Let's upload the image of the warrior and type the prompt. The warrior levitates off the ground while electricity erupts from her. We'll leave prompt enhance on and hit generate. After a few minutes, we get this. Let's go back to my avatar. I want to see him fly while on fire. I will add the flying and the set of fire effects and upload the picture of my avatar. For this one, I'll use the prompt. The man flies through a cloudy city with buildings passing around him as he explodes in flame. Okay, that start frame is really heavily weighed, so you can see my avatar kind of ducks out of the way, and this guy might be an evil me flies into frame. To fix this, I created this image of my avatar already flying through a city. I'll set the flying and set on fire effects, upload the starting image, and add in the prompt for before. This time I get a really cool generation. Not only is the flying very well done, but the flame effect is cool. The buildings and people passing by are noticeable, and it even ends with fire surrounding me on the sides, making it seem like my avatar is causing a lot of destruction. Now, not only is the starting image important, but the prompting is vital when you are using two different effects. Let's jump back to the neon motorcycle. I'm going to use the car chasing effect along with bullet time, but not enter a prompt. The thought here is that these two effects should tell the generator what I'm looking for, right? As you can see, I tried this twice, and neither result was that good. Let's go back and enter in this prompt. The motorcycle races down a neon tunnel. The camera follows along. Leave prompt, enhance on, and Overall, this generation is better as the bike doesn't leave the tunnel, but the bullet time effect causes it to spin around on an axis a little. I think there will definitely be certain combos, like the flying and fire, that work much better than others. The last feature of Higgsfield that might be both fun and viral to play with is its Iconic Scenes. From the search bar, click on Iconic, and you'll be able to see a bunch of scenes they've selected from TV and film. If we click on Game of Thrones, we can see Messi fighting the Ice King. Infinity War gives us a scene with a dissolving effect. Let's select this one from The Lord of the Rings called My Precious. I'll grab my avatar picture and the Simpsons style, hit generate, and the result is pretty funny. I'm not sure how usable this feature is compared to the effects, but maybe you could do a Shorts channel where you just use this feature to recreate scenes with Muppets and funny voiceovers, or something like that. As you can see, Higgsfield isn't just another AI tool, it's a full-on VFX playground. Whether you're creating jaw-dropping cinematic shorts, hilarious face punches, or wild sci-fi sequences, this platform gives you serious power with almost no learning curve. Is it perfect? Nope. Some effects need tweaking, some combos don't always land, but when it hits, it really hits. If you're a content creator looking to stand out, go viral, or just have some fun, Higgsfield is 100% worth experimenting with. The possibilities are endless, and honestly, the results speak for themselves. Now, it's your turn. What kind of madness will you create?